Hey, it's Ann from Dan Talk Real Talk. So let's talk. One of the sexiest things we can do together, and I don't think we do it enough, or if we do, we don't realize how sexy it can be, is cooking. You're preparing things, you're chopping things up, you're marinating things, you're together in the oven. I was going to say in the kitchen. It's so cool. Imagine marinating something with your hands, a little olive oil, whatever. Now, after you touch anything like poultry, meat, whatever, fish, you do need to wash your hands with soap and water. But then you can always put a little extra olive oil on it and touch the person you're with. I find olive oil very, 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 very sexy and very natural and very, oh my God, I like it. It's another 9.5 weeks happening here, people. If you take advantage of the brilliance of cooking together and making something together and doing it together, it just makes so much sense. When you chop, marinate, stir, saute, it gives you, I don't know, a creative edge that you can transform and transcend into a sexual experience that could blow your mind. A little olive oil on a cock really goes a long way. If you're a woman who struggles with lack of wetness, use some. It's all natural. I like natural things. I believe if I'm going to put it in my body, in my mouth, it should be natural as possible. Give it a try. Cooking together, sexy, sensual, makes it go pop, and you're going to love the results. Plus, what you make when you're cooking is a result of the passion you have for each other while you're doing it. Diane from Dan Talk Real Talk. We'll talk. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.